Calm down, buddy.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeast Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, northern Will County in northeast Illinois, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:24 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Huntley to Hancletus Arena and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sugar Grove and St. Charles around 9:35 p.m. Barrington and Yorkville around 9:40 p.m. West Chicago and Warrenville around 9:45 p.m. Wheeling and Winfield around 9:50 p.m. Northbrook and Glen Ellen around 9:55 p.m. Glencoe and Woodridge around 10 o'clock p.m. This includes the city of Chicago. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Okay.